Good day everyone, I'm Joshua and today I'm going to present my C++ allowance tracker. To start, I used hash include iOS stream and hash include string. I also used using namespace std. To start the coding, I use int main, open and close parentheses with an opening and closing curly bracket. The variable I use are name, student/worker, allowance, days, food, and total. I use string for name and student/worker para makuha yung test na input na nilagay ng user. Double naman para sa allowance, food, transportation, and total. Para kahit may decimal ang gamitin ng user ay ma-accept ng code. Int naman for days kasi whole yung nilalagay sa days. For the input, I use cout to display the question instruction to the user, while I use cin to get the information entered by the user. Gumamit din ako ng getLine cin name slash student and worker para ma-record lahat ng in-input ng user kahit may space or dot pa yan. Sa calculation, gumamit ako ng equal para mag-assign ng value, asterisk for multiplication, plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction. Sa display naman, gumamit ako ng cout para ma-display ang user information at daily expense information naman for barrier line.